We're gonna give the cat a little bit more catnip. He loves this stuff. Let's see if he's gonna be bad. He's gotta eat it first. Oh, there he goes. Or maybe not. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. Uh-oh. He likes to roll in it a lot. Uh-oh. Huh? Don't mess with this kitty. Oh! Ow! Ow! Let go of my leg! Let go of my leg! Please let go of my leg! Ow! Ow! No! Oh my God, this cat's crazy. Ow! He bit me! He bit me! Don't! Oh my God! Let go of my leg! Okay, let's not mess with him while he's in a bad mood. That kind of hurt. What you gonna do? Oh my gosh, he's gonna attack. He's gonna go on a rampage. Uh-oh. Aw, be a good kitty, not bad. Give him some more. No! We're out. That's all that's done. Yeah, do we want to waste it all, though? Yeah. Okay. You got it on your head. You got it on your head, fool. Aw, don't cry. It's okay. Here you go, kitty. No, don't claw me again, please. Don't. Ah! He gets in a really bad mood when he's on this. It's okay, kitty. It's okay.